Acrobatics, demonstrating for you the outstanding capabilities of this unlimited category aerobatic monitoring. At the top, airspeed reaching 0, balance with the left heel, fall, one to the right wing, pivot around the right wing, and quickly calls the micro spin of aviation. 4 basic aerobatic maneuvers. Coming in the aircraft around the wingtip, and then pulling down at the bottom. He will be experiencing positive defense or the force of gravity, pushing you into the seat of the aircraft. Interesting airplanes and aviation started very young age. His first exposure to aerobatics was a weekend camping trip to the He had the privilege to the first time of seeing the legendary offshore demonstrate aerobatics to the everybody in the audience. Little did Bob realize at that particular time, that is then foremost in his mind and a goal for him, and that is to become a top-notch, not only aerobatic competition pilot, but also an air show performer. Once again, Bob's going to be performing the 4 basic aerobatic maneuvers, but as you're watching it, vertical plunge and his angle of descent. These are all at a precise 90 degree, 45 degree, and 0 degree in the horizontal aspect line of flight. This is how a competition aerobatic pilot is judged when they're flying in a contest environment. In performing in that environment, they will fly inside a 1,000-meter cube, roughly 3,000 feet square, and they're judged by their ability to keep the aircraft within that box during the entirety of their performance. As Bob tumbles the aircraft at Air Show Center stage, executes at the Air Show box, the sled comes back up. One deployed aileron rolls, and Bob pulls the stick back into his lap. Now imagine you're sitting in one of these aircraft. You have your left hand on the throttle, your right hand is on the control stick, and both feet are firmly planted with the rudder pedals in front of you. This is how you are directing your aircraft. Descending back down again,
Bob Freeman,
about 5,000 degrees right now.
Truckee Tahoe Air Show.
He uses the rudder to execute a perfect tumbling vertical roll, and again reaching 0 airspeed, a torque roll back down his own footprint. Now, a torque roll is where the gyroscopic forces of the engine and the propeller are working against the aerodynamic forces of the airframe. Bob got his pilot license at the age of 18, right after graduating from high school. He has a bachelor's degree in science, mechanical engineering, and graduated summa cum laude from the University of Missouri. Working in the field of data storage, he is named as an inventor of 14 different patents in magnetic and optical recording. He retired from his position as chief technologist at Seagate Technology in 2016, and he is fast approaching 6,000 hours of flying, more than half of which is in the aerobatic aircraft. In 1972, Bob was in high school, and he was inspired by the United States Unlimited Team Performance World Aerobatic Championships in France. As he moved up to the national stage, Bob's going to demonstrate for you some of the very maneuvers that won the U.S. the gold medal that year. Again, pulling straight up on a knife-edge, perfect horizontal vertical flight, pulling over the top. The aircraft out, points the nose down, he rolls the aircraft on his descent, and again feeling about 5 to 6 pounds into the vertical for his next maneuver. Over the top, outside snap over the aircraft, and then allow the aircraft to recover to the inverted position, holding it there momentarily, and coming back down through and completing the avalanche. The is one of the most touching facts about the man you are watching perform your legend. In January 2000, was diagnosed with chronic he went through rounds of chemotherapy in his battle with leukemia and is now enjoying an extended remission. This experience was tough on him and his family, but it did not derail his long-term dream of flying aircraft. In 2002, after the World Championships in Murska Sobota, Slovenia, where he finished fourth overall at 56 world-class pilots representing the likes of Russia, France, Great Britain, and the rest of the world. He was the highest scoring U.S. pilot at the 2002 Advanced World Aerobatic Championships, and also served as their team captain. He achieved his lifelong goal for the U.S. team in the Olympic category in 2017 in South Africa, having progressed from entry level to the unlimited level over a 32-year period and after battling leukemia. Bob began the transition from competition aerobatics into the air show world in 2015 and has progressed rapidly through the air show, reaching the unrestricted surface level rating in 2018. He has flown air shows of all sizes all across the U.S. and Canada, has performed with the United States Navy Blue Angels, the Thunderbirds, and the Canadian Forces Snowbirds, along with some of the biggest names in the air show world. And today, ladies and gentlemen, he is thrilled to be performing today for you. In addition to that, Bob is joined by his incredibly supportive right man, who is also a pilot and who is up here watching Bob fly today. Together, he and Bob will raise two sons, Ted and Sam. Ted graduated with a degree in computer science at the University of Colorado, and Sam, a certified airframe and power plant mechanic with an inspection The Extra 330SX that Bob is flying is the only one flying in the world. It is the latest aircraft off of the assembly line of the German aerobatic manufacturing firm created by Walter himself an aerobatic pilot. This aircraft is powered by a 360 cubic-inch, six-cylinder light-one engine, producing a little more than it utilizes a green-blade that is also high performance, which reduces the amount of torque that's put on the crankshaft of the engine during Bob's gyroscopic maneuvers. Also, and he has not fully tested the aircraft, especially right now flying at a high density altitude here at the Truckee Tahoe Air Show. This aircraft is capable of rolling on the horizontal or vertical axis at well over 500 degrees per second. As he demonstrates a series of hesitation rolls, he shows you the incredibly quick rolling of the Extra 330S.